Hey, what's up guys? Just here to tell you about a product I've been purchasing. It is Trader Joe's Vitamin D dietary supplement. For years and years I've gone to Trader Joe's. I just love it. It's like, I think the brands of everything they buy, from food to vitamins to drinks, you name it, everything they make for the most part I love, and I've never had a bad experience. So I've been vitamin D deficient. I think it's a lot of people that live on the East Coast. We just don't get enough vitamin D, and I'm vegetarian, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it, because I know my mom's vegetarian as well, and when we get our blood work done, it's always low vitamin D. So the doctor recommended I take 1,000, I think it's 1,000 milligrams of vitamin D per day to just get it back up, because they say it could lead to issues, especially like if you're trying to get pregnant, and just like, it's just good to have your vitamin D. So I was vitamin D deficient, and after taking these as a supplement for about a month, I got another blood test. My level is now normal, and it's definitely a good value for the price. What I like too is these are very easy to swallow and they absorb quickly. So if you don't live near a Trader Joe's, it's great that you could order these online, and you don't have to you don't have to be able to get to the store to order these. So I'm definitely a repeat customer. I give this product a high rating because I'm very happy with it. No aftertaste, and I'm just really happy with it. I make my husband take it too, and he doesn't really like to swallow pills. He's, sometimes people have issues with swallowing pills. So these are like soft gels, which are really nice. Let's see. So serving size is 1 soft gel. Servings per container 180. Daily value 1,000 IU, 250% vitamin D3, and other ingredients: olive oil, soft gel, gelatin, glycerin, water. Now, as a vegetarian, I really don't like to be having anything with gelatin, but sometimes it's hard to avoid. I like that it's made with olive oil, so I think that that's also like good for your skin and stuff like that. So distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in California. This is what the bottle looks like. Suggested use: 1 soft gel daily with food. I always take pills with food because I tend to get nauseous sometimes if I don't, especially depending on like what the vitamin is or what it is that I'm taking. So I'll normally just take one with breakfast. People with medical concerns should check with their physician before using this or any dietary supplement. Expiration November 2020. Definitely go through it before then, and very easy. Just pop off the top, and it had like a nice little cotton and slipping out of my hands, and protection seal over it. I'm gonna take one out and show you guys like how small they are. So teeny, and my hands are small to begin with, so you guys can see. See how small they are. They're nice and soft. You could just see. I love the soft gels, and I don't have an issue taking pills, but I just think it's just nicer to be able to swallow, and just easier. With vitamin E, not with vitamin D, but with vitamin E, when I was a little kid, I hated swallowing pills. So if I had a cut or something, and this worked really well, my grandma would just break open the soft gel and just spread it on the area that I didn't want to scar, like on top of the cut, and that also works really well. So I'm not really sure if you could pop this open and swallow it if you have an issue taking pills, but that might be something that is easy to do. But I don't think, even if you have a problem swallowing pills, I don't think you'll have an issue with these, because they go down so easily. So it's a really, really great product. Great vitamins. This is definitely the best quality available. Service was really good when ordering them. It's a nice small vitamin D. It has no aftertaste. It doesn't upset anyone's stomach. Just seems to be doing a really, really good job. So I hope that you guys try out Trader Joe's Vitamin D, and especially if you're living in the East Coast, make sure you get your vitamin D, because we have a lack of sunshine here. So got to make sure you get that in. This is a great way to do it. Trader Joe's Vitamin D Dietary Supplement, one a day. Check it out. Hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.